I think directing to YouTube. Okay. Oh, funny twisted. Maybe go back to Zoom. See what I'm doing. No, that's worse. There, that's better. So, welcome. This is the first of a few experiments, and the idea is that we're going to be doing some maths. I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to do a really quick introduction now. Yeah, we're doing maths for parents at home to help with their children at home. The focus on this one is going to be for the younger years, and it's all about number sense. What you're going to need, this is for Monday, so we're going to be live on Monday at 10 o'clock. We'll do about a 10-minute activity for children, and then help with guidance for parents to follow through after that. So it's something you can do with your children. What you'll need is a bowl or a container. Now, it doesn't have to be a bowl, it can be a tray full of toys, full of 110 things. So that's the nice activity to do over the weekend. And then, so there aren't 110 things in here because I've got 100 of them. Well, actually 110 of them are in these little ramekins. You need 11 containers. Can be any container you like. You can make little boxes, you can do whatever you want. 11 containers that will be able to hold 10 of your items each. And you'll need a piece of paper. And you'll need a pencil or a pen and a ruler if you like. I'm going to be drawing freehand. And what we're going to be doing is working with number sense and helping the children understand, making sure you clear that they understand the meaning of numbers. It's called number sense, and it's the meaning of numbers and how they all fit together, and why we say 100 and we write it as 100 instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and so it starts to make sense. And we're going to progress from there. We're going to go into multiplication and arithmetic, basically, and how the numbers group together and how they work together. So I think it's going to be a progression, and it is going to be a progression. And we're going to start with the basics. There'll be games that you can play, and if you've got older and younger children, then you can get the older children engaged in helping the younger children. And there's a huge value in teaching, huge value. I love the way the medical profession, the surgeons, they do see one, do one, teach one. So if you're, and the thing is, and teaching isn't about the one in the middle, see one, do one, teach one. Yes, the teaching isn't about doing it for them. So you can, when you teach it, you can show one, but allowing them to do one is very, so having seen one, when you're learning, you see one, you kind of see, okay, I kind of see, but you can't really do it. Doing one is really powerful, and then teaching one when you get older, or even getting a child, a young 5-year-old, to explain to you what they've done, also enables you to understand misconceptions. So the teaching one is just as valid for a 5-year-old as it is for an 11-year-old working with a 5-year-old, but allowing and learning that when you're teaching, allowing them to do. So don't be a doofer. That's my expression, allowing them to do. So we'll be covering all of that starting on Monday. We're going to be covering number sense Monday to Friday, 10 o'clock London time on YouTube here on the channel. And then there are formal links attached to it on our sister channel, the Maths Toys, and there are lots of really well presented activities and resources for teachers and parents on the Aiming High website that AIMSEC produces. We're working together to produce a resource that's going to be